Another difficult day of detailed testimony about the day Officer Vásquez Lasso was killed 2 years ago. It's the second day of the trial of the man accused in the officer's murder. The family of late Chicago police officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso were in court for the second day of the trial against Steven Montano. Montano was on trial for the murder of Officer Vásquez Lasso in March 2023. Today, Officer Vásquez Lasso's partner testified. Officer Miguel Enciso testified he was behind Vásquez Lasso chasing a man with a gun, and he heard gunshots of 2 guns, then tased Montano when he saw Officer Vásquez Lasso on the ground. Officer Enciso identified the gun he secured in court today before the jurors. Enciso testified there was still a live round in the gun when he recovered it that Enciso removed. Officer Saul Cantarilla tearfully told jurors Vásquez Lasso was his friend since the first day at the police academy. Cantarilla says he heard the call for an officer shot on the radio and was nearby. He testified he screamed when he realized it was his friend shot in the head. Then he put Vásquez Lasso in his vehicle and later transferred his friend to an ambulance gurney. 3 people also testified who witnessed the scene. A parent who was on the playground with her kids told jurors she hid her children behind a slide when she heard the gunshots. Another parent waiting for his child outside of Sawyer Elementary testified he saw an officer running after a civilian, and when the officer told the man to stop, the man turned around, pulled a gun, and fired. He then saw the officer fall. Another woman on her way home from a car wash pulled over and recorded the scene on her phone of the man running toward the park with the children, pulling a gun and firing it at the officer, then seeing the officer fall. The trial could conclude this week, which means we may find out if the defendant will take the stand in his own defense. At the Layton Criminal Courthouse, Leah Hope, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.